this is Shuling and Quilling from Maneki Signage. Today we're going to show you how to make the standard light box. We are going to build a 900mm by 586.5mm light box. Okay, so we start with measuring the frame. This is the standard light box frame, 4 inches, and this is the front cover. Okay, so for 900mm, right, we need to minus 50mm to cater for the socket because these two sockets will add into the length of the signage. So 850mm. Then for the frame also, we will cut this one first. Then after that, we use this one to reference the next one, the cover.
Okay, so today, so now we are going to cut the 4-inch aluminium frame, and we are going to keep this portion. So one thing to take note is that the blade here has a certain thickness of 4mm. So we have to make sure that the blade aligns to the outer edge of the line that we have drawn. Another thing is that the aluminum frame has to rest on this portion of the machine so that we can get a perpendicular cut. So now we have the 536.5 piece and the 850 piece. So now we are going to overlay to another piece to make sure that both of them are of the exact size.
So yeah, we mark one piece first because after we cut, right, the blade is going to cut off about 4mm of the remaining material, so we cannot mark everything. So we just mark one, cut one. The next step now, we're going to assemble the box. So we start by putting in the rubber socket. Okay, then we use the screw, right? This one is, I think, what they call the self-screwing screw. I have to hold in the socket, right? And then drill it here to make sure that you see this part about half an inch will go inside. So we have to drill within. Yeah, half an inch will go inside. So we have to drill somewhere here, not too out. The purpose is to secure the socket.
And to align to the tree.
Yeah.
The tree division.
Okay.
After we install the brackets on the top and the bottom piece, we will build the side.
Screw the socket.
Okay, now we are going to assemble the frame. Just to note, this is a 25 by 25 frame. So we also assemble the top and the bottom piece first.
Yeah. Then we screw on this part. There's this protruding part, so this is where we screw. Okay, now we are going to assemble the frame. So we put this in. After we assemble, now we're going to take the visual size. Because after all the cutting, right, there will be some differences in size. Measure the visual size. Okay, now we're going to measure the visual size. Okay, after we assemble the frame. Okay, the visual size will be the one from the internal frame to the internal frame. Then next step, we can cut the twin wall panel. Now we got the visual size, so we come up with the panel size. Okay.
So now we we are going to prepare the twin wall. So just now the visual size we have to add 11 mm on each side. So you'll be in total 22 mm. Going to prepare the twin wall to stick the sticker, the Lightbox sticker. So first we have to remove the protective film. And before this, you need to wash your hands. Measure the size for the aluminium composite backing.
Okay, so now we have to make sure like our marking right align with the blade over here. So we check first. Okay, then it's fine. Then we can start the machine.
We cut the aluminium composite, we need to round the corners.
Because the Lightbox corner is rounded, so if not, this is going to go through now. Now she round the corner, I put this double-sided tape at the back side of the frame. Then after that, this panel will go on top.
We have to drill the drainage hole for the Lightbox. So we use the drill bit like this, and you create a hole like this, and this the drainage cover. So now we are going to install the hinge. We have to determine where's the opening. So for this side, we will open from bottom up.
the frame to slot in the panel. So I have to lift it up first, pull it out. So now we check the lights. Yep, all working. Ta-da!